Welcome back to another gaming legend. Today we are going to make a tutorial in Ancestors, the Humankind Odyssey. Woo, let's go. Oh yeah, boy. I'm jumping like crazy. And this is on PC, okay? And I'm going to learn you guys how to dodge and attack in Ancestors if you're having trouble with it. I have been having trouble with it. I have like had this game for I don't know since I was some years. I think I have it like for 5 years or something like that. And the first like 3 years that I bought it, I did not even play it once, or maybe once, but yeah, you know. And then it's maybe 1 year ago or two when I first started to like play it for real. So I have played Ancestors on PC, what I'm playing right now, and on PlayStation and Xbox, or PlayStation. Okay, so we are starting with, well, I have already killed the animal, but if you want the stone I have in my hand right now, it is like the best stone you can get in the game. You only need to go over here and just take 2 of these stones and just smash them together a couple of times. Okay, but that is not the important stuff. The important stuff is that I am going to learn you guys how to fight and how to dodge. This is like a mini tutorial. Okay, so first you take a stick, then you swap with a stone or whatever, then you alter, and then you hit the click. That is when you need to hit it. Okay, so here we go. And maybe it's best if I drink for 1 sec, so just give me like 2 sec and I'm back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we are back here now. So let's go down and do it. I recommend you the first like spawn area, or when you start the game, I recommend you to start hunting here, because there is I think it's called a black mamba snake, that is literally one hit with everything. I think one hit with everything. And that is a small tip for the new ones here. If you already know what you're doing in Ancestors, you do not need to watch this video. It's only for the beginners. Okay. So we can see that I have killed a snake over there. Just ignore that. And that there is a hawk over there. So this is on PC. I'm maybe going to make a tutorial on PlayStation, or you can just watch other videos on how to do it. Okay, so here we have a warthog, and you press space and then, yeah. Okay, so if you want to attack, you need to hold down W and space, and then when it's makes the clink noise, then you release the both, I think, or something like that. And if you want to dodge, that I'm going to do it right here, if a warthog or something like that comes. If you want to dodge, it is S, A, or D to dodge, and you just do the same with W and space. You just hold the direction you want to go, and yeah, the same. So if you wanna go to the left, it is A. If you wanna go to the right, it is D. And if you wanna go down, or yeah, it is S. Good. Oh, I'm healing. Okay. I'm just going to like demonstrate it for you guys. And now it is really perfect. Is there like perfect? And there's a crocodile that I haven't discovered. I'm just going to discover it just fast. Okay, great. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to dodge. So you go down to what you want to dodge, and then I'm holding right, and then I go there. Maybe if you dodge, you might drop what you have in your hand. You might drop. Sometimes you do not. But when you go to the bed and you can like evolve, then there are like some small things you can evolve to not drop stones or rocks or whatever you have in your hand. Yes. So now, okay, another small tip, that is, if you are too much time down in the ground, a saber-tooth is going to come and try to eat you. So you better stay alert when there comes something. And it does give you time to like know when a saber-tooth is going to come and try to eat you. You see the eye in the bottom left? They're like eye. If it turns yellow, it means that a saber-tooth is coming for you. And it is like there for like, I don't know, 1 sec, I don't know. And then you need to prepare, or you dodge, or you attack. But if you don't have a weapon on you, like, when I say a weapon, it is a bone, a stone, a stick. It cannot be a food source or water. So you need something hard, not a coconut, okay? So if you try to attack with nothing or food or water, you are going to die, or to get injured, or break a bone, or get poisoned. One of those. And here we have a house of a bird that I'm just going to, mess with. Just 1 second. If you want to attack a bird, when you hear that scream, it means that it's coming for you. So you just need to be patient. That scream means that it's coming. So 3, 2, 1, boom. Boom, attacked. Okay. Take your stone and your club and let's go home. Okay. So as you just saw, when you're at a bird's nest, oh, I just broke a leg. I'm done. Okay, whatever. Okay, if you oh my god, what was I going to say? I'm saying too much. Did I kill that over there? Okay, I'm getting out of what I wanted to say. I'm going down again. Okay. What was I? Oh, I'm going to say. Okay, whatever. But if you, if you do have something in your hand, you can attack. But if you don't have anything, then you cannot. Then you only have 3 choices: to dodge, and here to click to dodge. Second, get poisoned, get injured, get a broken bone like me, or get death. Yeah, 3 choices that are yours. Well, the death and the injuries and all that is a bit the games. Yes. So I'm just going to be here for 1 sec. Push. Okay. I'm going back. Yes. And then I hope that this was a good tutorial for you guys that are new to Ancestors. But this game released like in 2018 or 17, something like that. So it is not like really new. It is just a small thing I wanted to show to you guys. Yes. So now I'm going back up, home, whatever. Cave / home / settlement / monkey house / everything. And now it is 9 o'clock. Okay. So now we are getting back to this, or the monkey house, going to call it. And we are back. What's up, guys and girls? Yes. And I think this was the video for today. Well, no, actually not. It is not the video for today because I have one last thing to share for you guys. This is a bit, well, it is not like hunting or anything. If you don't know how to fish, then welcome back. Because here you need only a stick, and that is everything. Then you go to where you can fish. You click, you hold poke on PC, and then when the thing here comes, okay, when you see like purple or rainbow comes, it is when you need to release. I'm bad at time, so here you guys can see how I do it, and all do it. Boom. So you can see that there comes like a small picture that is not a picture. So it is the best I can explain, and then you just eat it. Yes. And I think this was the video for today. I hope that you enjoyed my mini tutorial on how to hunt fish, hunt, kill, whatever. Yeah, and dodge. And I will see all of you in the next video. Monkey brain.